I will be using 5 ply yarn, and you can choose any 3 colors of your choice, scissor and a 3.5 mm hook. So let's start. I will start with magic ring, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the magic ring, chain 1, 2 double crochets now, 1, 2. After 2 double crochets, chain 1, again 2 double crochet, chain 1. So I have to make 8 sets of 2 double crochets separated by 1 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more set. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn, close the magic ring now, and cut the extra yarn. I will make a slip knot, insert the hook into this chain 1 space, take the slip knot on the hook, pull up the yarn, chain 3. Now make 2 double crochets in the same chain space. 1, 2, chain 1. I'm taking these yarn ends under my stitches. Now go into this next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Next chain 1 space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Keep doing this until this end. I'm done with 8 sets of 3 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Make a slip stitch here into the first chain, chain 1, and pull the yarn. Take the new color yarn now, make a slip knot here, insert the hook from any of the chain space, pull up the yarn, chain 3. 1 2 3. So chain 3 is 1 double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, chain 1. Now move to the next gap, chain 2, chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Chain 2, same space, 2 more double crochet. So we have to repeat 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in all these spaces. I'm done with round 3. Now make a slip stitch here. Next stitch also slip stitch. And come to this chain 2 space, slip stitch, chain 3, 1 2 3. This is counted as first double crochet. Now make 5 more double crochets in the same space. 2 3 4 5 6. Chain 3 and 5 double crochets. So altogether I have 6. Now chain 1, move to this next chain 2 space and make 6 double crochets. 5, 6, chain 1, next chain 2 space, 6 double crochet. So we have to repeat this across the circle. I'm done with row 4. Now I will make a slip stitch here. Chain 1, pull the yarn. Now again take the yarn, insert the hook in any of these stitches, double crochet stitches. This first one, take the slip knot, bring up the yarn, chain 1, same stitch, 1 single crochet. So 1, I'm also securing the yarn under the stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cut this yarn. Now I will make a long single crochet from this third row. Insert the hook, bring up the yarn, give it some height and single crochet. Now make 6 single crochets again, 1 in each stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1 long single crochet from this and this row. From third and fourth row, give it some height and complete the single crochet. Keep repeating 6 single crochets and 1 long single crochet. Repeat this across the circle. I'm done with row 5. Now make a slip stitch as usual. Chain 1. Now row 6, after this long stitch, insert the hook into this single crochet stitch. Take the slip knot on the hook, pull up the yarn, chain 1, same stitch, make 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 1 half double crochets. Next 2 stitches, single crochet, 1, next chain, 1 more single crochet. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice. Pull through first 2, second 2, the last 2. Now double triple crochet, yarn over 3 times. Next chain, make double triple crochet. Pull through first 2, next 2, next 2 and the last 2. Chain 3, yarn over 3 times, again 1 double triple crochet in the same chain. Pull through the third 2, the last 2. 1 triple crochet in the next chain. Pull through first 2, second 2, last 2. 1 double crochet in the next chain. 1 half double crochet. Next 2 chains, single crochet each. 1, 2. 1 half double crochet in the next chain. Next chain, 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet in the next chain. Now 2 single crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2. 1 half double crochet here. 1 double crochet. 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice. 1 double triple crochet, yarn over 3 times. Pull through 2, next 2, next 2 and last 2. Chain 3, yarn over 3 times. Go into the same chain, make 1 more double triple crochet. Next chain, double crochet, yarn over twice only. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through last 2. Next chain, 1 double. Next chain 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets, 1, next chain 1 more single crochet, next chain 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, 1 2, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, yarn twice, yarn over twice, 1 double triple crochet, yarn over 3 times, chain 3, 1 double triple crochet in the same space, next chain 1 triple crochet, next chain 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets in next 2 chains, 1 each, 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 1 single crochet in the next chain, 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, 1 each, 1, next chain 1 more, then half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, yarn over twice, double triple crochet, yarn over 3 times, pull through 2 at a time, chain 3, double triple crochet again into the same space, pull through 2 at a time, next chain 1 triple crochet, next chain 1 double crochet, next chain 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and slip stitch. Now for the final round I will chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same space, chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. So we will make 7 double crochets now. Sorry, 8 double crochets. Now in this chain 3 space I will be making 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, 1 2, chain 3, in the same chain 3 space I will make 2 more double crochets, now from here till this point you have to make 15 double crochets. And last one 15. Again into the chain 2 space, chain 3 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets, 1 2, chain 3, 2 double crochets again, so just repeat this across all the sides, 15 double crochets, in the corner chain 3 space, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, again for 15 on this side. Keep repeating until here. I'm done with 15 double crochets on the sides and 2 double crochet chain 3, 2 double crochet on the corners. On this side, if you remember, I did 7 double crochets over here in the beginning, so I have to complete the remaining ones. I must be having 15 altogether on this part. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I did 8 over here. 8 plus 7 is 15. So now I have 15 on this side as well. Slip stitch, chain 1, and our granny square is ready. Hope you guys liked the tutorial. Just let me know in the comment section. Give me your feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next tutorial. Bye.